Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Today we are taking a look at the Maxfoot MF-25. Yeah, that's right. So the Maxfoot MF-25 is a brand new commuter style e-bike from Maxfoot. They call it an all-terrain commuter style because it does have some knobby Chow Yang tires up here. Those are 26 by 1.95 tires. But yeah, so far we've ridden it just a little bit. We've enjoyed it. It's got a lot of pep, and we're getting ready to take it for a further ride. But I want to show you first some of the specs. We have a 10 amp hour battery up here in the front. We have a motor back here that looks like it might be 500 watt. I'm not sure, but it does peak at 1000. That's important to know, and that's where you get that pep from, because it's got a little bit of kick there for a commuter style bike like this. Okay, we do have mechanical disc brakes up here on the front. We do have hydraulic forks, and they are adjustable over here on the right side. We've got a smaller style rack right here, but you know, it works for some lighter items. We have an integrated tail light. We have the integrated headlight up here in the front. This is a 7-speed bike, so we got a 7-speed Shimano SIS shifter up here. We have a right-handed thumb throttle on this side, which is kind of unusual. Most of the time when I see thumb throttles, they're over here on the left. We do have a bell over here. Over here on the left side, we have a colorful display. We'll power that up so you can see what that looks like. There it is. You got your speed, you got your odometer, and you got all that good stuff right there. One thing to note, when you do get ready to power this up for the first time, you may need to push this power button right here, which kind of activates the battery. And so far, we've only had to do that one time, and after that, it would power up just fine. Yeah, so there's not a whole lot to know about this bike. It's you know, it's a commuter style e-bike. So let's get it out on the road and do some commuting with it. Here we go.
Hit this before I forget. Am I gonna ride through the grass? The gas? Probably. Okay, we've got that. I'll twist that so they can see it maybe a little bit better. Okay. Okay. Alright. No one's coming. Hey guys, it's Emma here. I'm going to be doing the riding portion for the Maxfoot here. We are just going to take it out on a little test ride, see how it feels, and I'm going to show you guys the speed, how well that works, and probably the brakes. So right now I've got it in pass 1, and it looks like we're going at about 11, pretty much 11 miles per hour, somewhere in there. Let's bump it up to 2. Looks like we're still at 11 here. Oh, there we go. I gotta push it a little bit harder. Maybe that's what it is. Getting up into 13. I think this one's torque, that's why. Get it up into 3. Going about 15, 14, somewhere in there. There we go. I think that's past 4. That really kicked it into gear. Holy crap. I am now currently going like 17. It really kicked into gear for some reason there. Let's go ahead and test the brakes. And I'll turn. Drop down to about 10. Speed back up here. All right, so pass 4 is about 16, 17. Let's see what 5 does. 5 gets us to about 20, which I'm pretty sure is the top speed for this bike. So, it's pretty good. Ooh, let's not ride through the sprinklers. All right, let's get her up here. So 20.5. Let's get her back up without getting hit by a car. Not too bad. Oh, I'm gonna fall off the bike. Stopped a little too much. All right, let's try it again. So I feel like you have to really pull on the brakes. They're probably not broken in yet very well. I feel like you have to really pull on the brakes to come to like a fast stop. There we go. Because that brought us down to like 8. So, I mean, you can do a soft pull and it will slow down gradually, but I mean, if you really need to stop, I mean, I guess just like a car, you're gonna slam on the brakes, right? Huh. But yeah, not too bad. It's pretty comfortable. Let's turn down here. Still sitting in like pass 5, just kind of gradually trucking along here. Let's do a little U-turn here, and then I'm gonna go back through, I think it was from like 2 up into 3, because those guys didn't seem to have much of a reaction. So that's 4. Let's drop it back down. Slow down here. Maybe a little bit more. Come on. Let's see what 3 does. There we go. See, now it's responding like I feel like it should. So that's going to be about 13, 15, maybe upwards of 16. It's hard to say. Let me get straighten out here. All right, so past 3, max is probably, we're going to call it 16 as I run into the back of this car here. Go down to 2. 2 probably maxes out. You really don't have much help from the engine in 2, I feel like. Probably about 13 if you're really pedaling. All right, well, there you have it. That's the riding portion, I guess.